I will not beat the bush. She is the main reason I actually had to ask to sit here, because she's an example for the Ugandan people who misuse the social media. So I don't know how we can get justice or help for people like her. They don't respect people's privacy. Yes, we report, you go to police and all that, but sometimes when they hear someone saying the truth that, you know, the rules are rules, it's better. So for someone like her, Nyondo, she's called Nyondo, with her page, she lives in UAE, but she will just come, like you come to this hotel, you find someone sitting there and you start capturing without permission. Which procedure, honestly, I'm asking?
That one, it's not legal.
Yeah.
At least, okay. And if you take the picture for any persons without his permissions, it will be not legal. He can go to police station, open case against for you directly. And after that, police, it will be handled everything.
And then back to the point of the social media, even having a license does not give you the audacity to come and record anywhere, anytime. Because we are in a country whereby there are so many people from different backgrounds, of different influences. You might land on the wrong person. Or not necessarily the wrong person, you might land on someone with the right connections.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Kabira. How are you, Rebecca?
Rebecca, how are you? Why you are calling another number? Sometime I'm not doing pick up the number.
I'm sorry. I was supposed to call with my number, but this is also my other number.
It's okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Tell me.
You are okay?
I'm okay, alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Okay. I want to see you. Is it possible if I can see you? I have some issue here. There is someone who is disturbing me on media. I wanted to talk to you about this one.
When? Now?
Not now, but you can tell me. I am with her, but you can tell me if you are free. I can look for you.
No problem. Around 6 o'clock you can call me.
Around
now, yeah.
Okay, 6 o'clock I can call you, yeah?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, thank you.
So what happened? Something mistake or wrong for you?
You know, she likes every time putting people in media, making drama. So I told her, we have brand names here. Why she put people on media? So I told her I will report you also one time, then they will have to warn you for this one. It's not good. Yani, they put you on media, stupid stuff. You know, we have families, so it's not good.
Yes, not good. And there is have permission?
No permission.
Khalas, no permission, it's okay. Why? You know why? The government now, if they will catch without any permission, without any certificate.
Okay, so what's your problem?
I want to marry you. Now to show you how serious I am, I came prepared for this.
You came prepared.
Please, I'm proposing for you to be my fiancé.
No, honestly, I'm sorry.
Please.
I don't want to disgrace you.
Please.
I don't want to
Please
disgrace
accept
you.
this.
Please.
Please, you must accept this. Please.
Please.
I'm not leaving here until you accept this from
It's
me.
a yes.
No.
No.
I can't take no from you.
Olwaleero omuntu yankubidde nga mpuliranga ki saa kugera kigambo ekyo nga abamateeka ba wano anti batubo boogera ne ngamba ate ebintu byali byaggwa ate lwaki baddamu okunkubira leero nkoze eki ne nninda esimu neevaako sazeemu kubanga nyinamu engeri y'emputtu olaba sometimes emputtu nzikolera ku mateeka ga Wano Rozet mukama nsaasire kuba luli basooka okunkubira saagendayo n'olulala ndi mulalamu kakati naddamu n'akuba kati mu kukuba nampa Volvate nangamba Rozet tuli wano eno naye mbadde nkusaba ojje naye ntyamu era ng'omuntu ne mubuuza abadde osaba nzije tewaliwo buzibu bwonna naye mbadde mmanyi wansonyiwa ebintu wabivaako tukyali kwebyera nangamba kati gwe jangu totya kintu kyonna obanga osobola okunnesiga obanga yinza kamwenyini gwasaba okusonyiwa ate nenkusonyiwa kitegeeza nti wemba nkuyise ngana bwampitako one day ne tugenda okwetonda ewa Sheikh Mpombo nangamba nange mbe nga nkola ki nga nzija nenzija bulungi nnyo musanze omanyi video eyo luli yakuba surprise luli yakuba esimu kati omwami gwe tudde wano mujja kumulaba nakola ki nayogera nange ekituufu natya nayogera naye natya neneebuzabuzaawo kati abaana ne bangumya abaana bali Saudi Arabia bali luda ne bagamba nti sala kugera kigambo ekyo kale nga tugambe bafe mbu taata ndio taata wange owa wano yakoze ekyo ne bagamba oyo mbangali oyo Pakistan kati nkogera ebigambo ebyo nange nenguma negamba Rebecca atisatisani kumbe muganda wange byali bintu bishi byaddala kati wentuuse wano eno ayina ebintu byambulidde bibadde bingi ne Rebecca ntwogera mukaawo naye nange ekintu nyina olukujjukujju kyenkoze nziseeyo bintu byange nezuka nensaba bannange kinasoboka mbadde nsaba tukole bwetyo ne bwetyo nensaba Rebecca akole kyabe nga amusaba nti oba oli awo tusobola okuvaayoko n'ebibuuzo ebirungi byetusobola okuba nga tubuuza ate oba oli awo naawe n'ofunamu ekyokukola kyekyokuyiga ddala gwe omuntu awangalira wano mu UAE oba asuubira okujja wano mu UAE anaye sijja kumalako lunaku lulamba nga njogera nyinako wanandinaanye naye tumuyina ne Rebecca naye ali ku side eri esembayo kasoke mpona akazindala ababuuzeeko tutandikira awo mpolampola naye nga we going to switch to English kubanga tuli bannayuganda ffekka wano
mujebaleko bannayuganda bannange. My name is John and I am a fellow Ugandan. Nice to talk to you all.
My name is Hamdan from UAE. I'm living in Sharjah.
My name is Volvate, Rebecca. Yeah, I live here in Dubai. So,
okay, thank you so much. We're switching to English right now. Rebecca, thank you for this opportunity. You're not doing this one for me, but you're doing it for Ugandans because me, I'm already here and I know some of the things. So this one, you're doing this for our followers, those who'd like to know different things about UAE. Yes. Now she told me she's having a burning question. We're going to start with her. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. So we are going to talk about different things affecting Ugandans and the young people who want to move to the UAE. And so my first question is, what advice would you give someone who wants to come to the UAE and invest?
I will tell him, welcome to the UAE. Our door is open for him.
Thank you. Welcome. Thank you. At this moment, we'd like to acknowledge the fact that the UAE has allowed us as immigrants to move and build our lives from the ground up. So we say thank you, United Arab Emirates. So to the people out there, our question is, how would we invest in this country? And our focus is the golden visa. What is the golden visa and how can someone get a golden visa?
Regarding for the golden visa, there is a rules or steps. Okay. The first things of that one is okay, 2 million deposit in the bank, and if he have apartments or houses around 2 million above, he can get it the golden visa for 10 years. That's it.
Yes. And having this golden visa means you can invest in the country and there are less restrictions, right?
Yes, of course.
Yes, sure. So with this 2 million dirhams, meaning you do not come and just put it in the bank, you can actually invest it and grow this money.
Yes.
Hence accruing profits and so many other things. And earlier we talked about those probably who have children, they are probably covered under this visa.
Under this visa, yes. Below of 18.
Below 18 years of
yes.
age.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sure. So I would like someone else to ask a question.
Can I ask them?
Yeah, it is your turn.
Okay. Yeah, for me, I'll go straight to the point. I have two strong questions. One, we'll talk about the investment. For those who want to come and invest in UAE, they ask us question, what is the security for us to invest in UAE? Are we safe with our money? They have money in I'm talking Uganda at large, but they want that assurity. Sometimes they cannot go to Google, because when you go to Google, they feel like it's not safe because there's a lot of drama in Google, though the page might be authentic. So what advice do you give for Ugandan investors or Africa at large to come and invest in UAE?
So my advice already is, you are being here, they are being here so long times. So this is my first reason. Second reason, if he said for you, no safe country, alhamdulillah, the UAE, okay, is the safe country in the world. And regarding for the business, who can opening the business, it will be, must be to grow. And the marketing is in the world. Business, if you spend the money, which kind of the business or right business, you will get it the right profit. That's it.
And at last, my second question. I will not beat the bush. She is the main reason I actually had to ask to sit here, because she's an example for the Ugandan people who misuse the social media. So I don't know how we can get justice or help for people like her. They don't respect people's privacy. Yes, we report, you go to police and all that, but sometimes when they hear someone saying the truth that the rules are rules, it's better. So for someone like her, Nyondo, she's called Nyondo, with her page, she lives in UAE, but she will just come, like you come to this hotel, you find someone sitting there and you start capturing without permission. Which procedure, honestly, I'm asking?
That one, it's not okay.
Yeah.
At least, okay. And if you take the picture for any persons without his permissions, it will be not legal. He can go to police station, open case against for you directly. And after that, police, it will be handled everything. Nothing.
So those are my questions. That is my question, and you can ask other questions.
Okay, my question is about citizenship. Why is it that there is no any way a foreigner can have citizenship here?
Foreigner?
Yes, foreigners.
Which foreigner?
Like people from different countries. I'm a foreigner here.
Expatriates.
Okay, it's the same thing.
I told for you that one, it's the rules. Depend of the country's rules. We cannot say it's now your government, there is a rules. I cannot broken that one rules. Give it to me, why you give it to you or not give it to me. That's one. It's rules, depend of the countries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else? So, talking about roles as a political measure, I'll mention this one. So the country might not have had before citizenship and everything, but given the recent developments that are happening all over the world, the UAE gave us the opportunity of having a golden visa. So most of us coming from poorer countries, I should say, or lower economies, we cannot afford the 20 million dirhams.
No, 2 million.
2 million dirhams, sorry, to deposit and get the golden visa. But they've given us the opportunity that you can work and accrue this amount as long as it's legal to get this visa, which can account for a similar situation to citizenship, because you can own property when you have a golden visa.
Yeah, he can come and open the business, what you are saying,
Yes.
okay, and he will grow up, inshallah, for the futures.
Yes.
And he have that one amount, he can deposit that one and he can get the visa.
Yes.
Easily.
Yes, for sure. So I'm mentioning, like, we are appreciating that there's been flexibility. So if you make this kind of money, you can actually have a long-term citizenship, not just like how you immigrate here and you have an employment visa of only 2 years. You get a longer period that you
for
can
10
do.
years.
Yes, for 10 years, and
Yeah.
you can do so much more. And then back to the point of the social media, even having a license does not give you the audacity to come and record anywhere, anytime. Because we are in a country whereby there are so many people from different backgrounds, of different influences. You might land on the wrong person. Or not necessarily the wrong person, you might land on someone with the right connections. And you turn... Going even higher, because in the UAE, I'm working in an FOH kind of job. So meaning we come in contact with high value people, I should say. So when you're recording, please always try to make sure you scan the perimeter of where you are. Get the permissions, the right permissions, get your licenses if that is what you want to do, if that's the kind of career you want to take on. I think you will have a sweet stay.
Yeah, but everything's what you need to take it's available. It's on the website.
Yes, for sure.
So if you needed to make it visa, go to immigration website. They will show you the steps. If you need to open the trade and license or new activities, go to economic departments and website the economic department. You will see every details what they needed exactly.
Yes, and I think as Ugandans living in the UAE, we know that it is true that we go to the websites and we process most of our documents or any licenses that we need online.
Yes,
and then
online.
The final processes, maybe if it's biometrics that are needed, you'll receive an email, you need to show up in this place at this time, and you get everything done. So Ugandans, please research the information. It is true. You can get all this information online, and you can go ahead to start processing your journey to the UAE or any other country that you would like to go to. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Back to golden visa. My question is, when you have a look at these other categories of visas, like employment, when you exit the country, when you exit UAE, you go to your country.
6 months.
If you spend 6 months there, automatically the visa is cancelled in the system.
Yes.
How about the golden visa?
Okay, it's cancelled in the system. Okay, but your sponsor, okay, or your company, there is another rules. Okay, ways your company or your sponsor, he can make it letters for the immigrations. Okay, overstay they call it that one letters, and they will not cancel it. They will return it back to your visa. Same visa.
Okay. What about the golden visa?
Golden
Is there
visa
any issue with it?
No.
Issues with it?
The golden visa, it will be different. No issues for that one.
You can
if you
spend.
stay 1 year.
You can spend as long as you want outside the country. And
Yeah,
it is not
outside that.
cancelled.
More than 6 months, it's okay. No issues for that one.
Okay, thank you so much.
If we don't have 2 million dirhams, and if we cannot afford to buy the house, is there any other possibility?
No.
No shortcut.
No shortcut.
Okay.
Because that one visa or for golden visa, they are doing for the businessman people who have a business and they want to open the company. They are doing.
Okay, lastly, for business setup, because people in UAE, they are scared. I talk about most African. They don't know how easy it is to do a business setup. When you tell them, oh, do business setup or open up a company, they feel like it is very, it's a very hard thing. So how best can you let them know that it is very easy for anyone who want to start business to do here in UAE?
It's not very hard. It's very easy. You can do it. Everything's by your application, by Apple or by your phones. Everything. We are now renewal our license, private license, driver license, or Emirates ID, or what we needed by applications, by phones. It's very easy to use that one application, and you can do it everything. Download the documentation, what they needed, the government, finish it.
Yeah. Then last question. What is the difference between having a local partner in your license and without having a local? Because people are asking, if I make license without local, what is the difference if I have local? What is the benefit?
Nothing, no any benefits. But the local peoples, because we are partners, we are friendlies, we are putting our names only just, the locals. Maybe there is Dubai and Abu Dhabi and Sharjah, there is government helping, supporting the local guys. So some people of them, they are putting local names because they are our government, they are supporting us.
it's a support from government.
Oh, yes, from the government.
There is
That's why.
no restriction.
No. Yes.
Because they want to know this one. They don't know the difference between having local or without local.
No.
But the best way is to have a local.
Yes.
Yeah, because in case of any emergency, at least I see sometimes police, when they look for the owner of the license, they call the partner.
Yes, they call the
Then when
yes.
they call the partner, somehow it's very easy to communicate.
Yes, that's
like
what.
this and this, But when you are alone, then it's difficult sometimes.
Difficult,
You have to fight alone. Okay,
That's
my
it.
question.
Thank you.
Anyway, I would like to take this opportunity to say sorry to Madam Rebecca again. One day, I got a client. He gave me some gifts and he wanted me to surprise or to bring it to her. So I phone hesitate. Actually, I called her in the beginning and I told her I have some business. So she directed me where she was. I came to her with the flowers and everything, so she was upset. Then she called you. I was really scared. I thought my life is done. But now I thank God that we can sit on the same table. I really thank God. I apologized. She accepted. She had put the ban. She had reported me to police. She called you that day. When you told her give me the link, I was really scared. But I thank God that now, at least we can even sit on the same table. Rebecca, thank you so much. But next time, don't scare me too much like that.
When she called me, Rebecca, she called me regarding against phone you only just to see the solutions. She called me, Hamdan, help me. What can I do? Or what we will do? I told Foreign, take it, that one link and go police station, show them, finish, they will take your actions. No need anything.
And I did that.
And she did it. Finish.
So you are forgiven. No need to talk about
I'm still,
this.
I'm still shivering,
No, don't need to
Anyway, and what I've realized is that she's having connections. It is a pleasure to be with you right now. And we thank God. We thank you for your time. Thank you so much. Kabila, thank you for this opportunity. So this one, you're not doing it for only me, but as well for fellow Ugandans. Not only Ugandans, because this interview has been in English. Other people that are watching Nyondo Media, thank you so much. Now, we're going to conclude. We're going to close this. Rebecca, I would like to sit near you. There is something I'd like to share with Yunga. Tugamba abantu.
Okay.
Just to concluding.
Okay.
But thank you, sir. Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you for being with us. And your questions were really relevant. Thank you so much. We appreciate.
Okay. Alas, no problem. You are forgiven.
Okay. Omanyi lwaki ngambye nti kabojjumbira asooka agenda oba omukulu naye naye nyina engeri girayo ali ngaakutunuulira era osagala gemanyi nakwatako bwati kabiira
sagala kuntankuula ebyo nzijjako waya lwaki tobyogedde ng'ali wano
eyo nvuddeyo naye mu byonna eyo katuveeyo naye mu byonna kansooke ngamba abaana abo baana bwe muli babi waliwo ekyana ekyagamba mbu kyedoboozi bukyawulira eddoboozi mbu yali baba malesa alabyogera baba waaki we Saudi Arabia mbu yeyankangakanga ng'akubira essimu okyana ekigamba mbu oyo mupataani naye omusajja sebo yeyanjudde sebo nzaalwa ya wano mu Emirati
ate no akola mu government akwayagadde kwogera position ye naye ali mu very high position era njagadde nnyo gooba omubuuza
kati omufuna otya
gye nkolera nkugambye mbeera nnyo mu bitongole byesigenda kwatulira baga ntya kwatula naye ebitongole ebimu biri under consulate standard so baba bajja nabo bajja nga baagala visas olusi ne bajja nga balina kye beetaaga kati mukujja mwobasanga nga beetaaga obuyambi bwe kitegeeza we mba nkuyambye this time round nange bwe mba neetaaga obuyambi nkola ki nkufuna kati we yajja nga nalina we namuyambira naye n'atuuka n'angamba obeeranga n'ekizibu kyonna kyonna ombuuliranga kati bwe nayagala okuggulawo business setup yange ya recruitment era gwe nakubira ne ŋŋamba njagala kuggulawo business setup n'angamba nedda nja kufunira mukazi wange asobola okubeera nga ye partner wo mu license era yali partner wange mu license paka nakati
tegeza mufumbo
musajja mufumba alina famire ye naye kati yanjagala nnyo to an extent mbu we babeera n'ebintu ebitambula kuyita n'ogenda nze meetings abaloko bangi ku lwa Mr. Hamdan ne famire ye
nga tuvuddeyo njagala kulaga abatugoberera omanyi nti abantu bano eno mba respectinga nnyo era mbagala nnyo kyova olaba nga we banvuma sizaayo muliro nsirika busirisi ebiseera ebisinga buli wobanga okoze ekintu ddayo okonoolaba abantu bareactinze batya so tumala gakola n'olikaawo naye abaana bannenya nnyo abavuma nnyo buli kimu era we balabanga gundi eri eteereddwa vidiyo nga ziteereddwa ne balaba neyaseeka mpombo ng'ate nakusuubiza nti sigenda kukola ki ne bakuba enduulu walalala ate azitadde yagamba bw'ati oyo mpiso tebagyeesigamako bla bla ne ŋŋamba it's okay naye nga mu byonna kijagala obbalaga nga naawe bw'oli ati bayinza okulowooza mbu olwokuba simanya neefuula omumbo omunene ogutagambwako musimanya bikyo empaka tugende mulimu ebintu ebimu kubanga ekyo nalaba nga kiri serious naye sobola okuteekamu videos ezo newankubadde nyinza okwefuula nti sina kyentya bwoba kiteri muntu atakola ki atatya era ensonga lwaki nafuna akadde nenkola kinenkukubirako wali wamblockinga naye nakozesa essimu ya Lilian nekubira naye nakusaba nnyo nga bwendaja natonzijako nokkiriza nenkusaba njagala bino byebagambye nga naawe wooli bajagamba yali alimba nenkusaba negamba Rebecca Volvate nkusaba onzikirize videos zino eno nzite ng'ekigendera mu byo oba mu show njagala abaana bano Uganda abali wanene batwazizza internationally nga bo nti omusajja wojjanga olinamu kasente okwata kutu era bwe weetegereza nti ennamba ekyasinze okubeera ennyingi waneeno balina ba Nigeria babafumbiddwa abantu tebafumbira babakozesa ne babasuulawo abalala babafunyisiza embuto ne babasuulawo so bingi ebihappeninga waneeno kati wenatula kiri n'ekiraba kuba kati jjukira nti fe abayitibwa olinagamba jangu ono mwana munatwala tugende wotuukawo nti ono mwana nti tata wali luddawa ndisimanyi muki mu Nigeria enamba esinga tata wali luddawa muki mu Nigeria kubanga ye bakwata kutu ne bamulaga nti waliwo akasente ne bamukozesa ne bamukola ki ne bamusuulawo n'ekiraba nti kino kisobola okutuyambako omwana ali asobola okubanga alaba abeere nga afunamu ekyokuyiga nti omuntu yenna naddala omukyala tolina kukwatibwa kutulo okuba alina mu kaki kasente era ekintu ekyo nagana nekigambamuko Seka Hassan yakola ekintu kimu bw'ati nagamba oyo ye buli omusanga abaana abawala wano mu UAE mumuwe buwiki salute ningane wankobadde sente zaali nnyingi naye yalaga nti akola ki tamoving bwanaki na sente of course gundi yatenna nnyo meaning y'amaanyi nti n'okugita nti ki naye wonnatula nenkirabamu nti kigenda kuyambako bano abaana abala bamanye nti nno omuntu we respectinga ng'omukinga omukyala kubanga tumanyi baana bameka bajja nga bankubira amasimu n'okumpandikira ne mu comment section bw'ogendayo balaba wa na wa buli wali omukutu gwaffe abaana bawandika nze mumpe katula omwana ali chipu kyenkana wa so kati gwe wabalaga nti omukyala yenna tebabaga muvinga bati omutalesa sente zizi nogwe nokola ki nogwa amatu okwabalese sente so kwekusaba nebwa mnange olw'ensonga bweti ne bweti nyamba nzikiriza nkola ekite videos zine n'abantu bakole ki bafune ekyokuyiga kuba bana batuswazizza nnyo so kati njagala kukakasa abantu nakusaba oba saakusaba
no kakati ndi muzadde kisooka ate nkimanyi nawe oli muzadde kati luvannyuma olw'okuva wa Seka Hassan era wannyonya nga bw'oyogedde n'okuba amasimu naye saayagala kukwata because of onalina obusongo bungi nnyo ne damage z'obadde otaddewo ku famire yange naye luvannyuma nnyo n'onnyonnyola ensonga zo n'oŋŋamba kiyinza okuba ekyokuyigako mu bantu kuba gwe omulamwa gwo waŋŋamba omulamwa gwo si kwagala kuhaminga bantu wabula oyagala kyonna ky'oba odisplayinze babeeko ne kye bayiga era ne kugamba mbu si kibi naye the problem is that engeri gy'okikolamu nze si kikugaana naye at least permission yeeyo bw'ojja n'obuuza omuntu n'omugamba nsaba kola ABCD tomugwako bugwi era bwe nakunyonya naye nga naye bw'oba olaba nga kigenda kuyigiriza abantu it's okay naye ekyo nakugamba omaze osooka oteekayo ezaasooka kati zino endala ezaddirira ziwe wambuuliza ne kugamba already wateekayo eyasooka kubanga mwe mwava olutalo sewansaba nga tonateekayo wali wateekayo eyasooka nenyiigera y'ensonga lwaki byagenda mu poliisi n'ogenda ne ku live obijjukira bulungi kati luvannyuma nnyo bwe walaba nga poliisi ekukubidde n'ebirala ebigenda mu maaso n'onsaba mu buki ne kugamba it's okay video esigadde already since wateekayo ezaasooka bw'olaba zigenda yigiriza abantu it's fine genda mu maaso kuba tetutasobola kudda mabega okitegeera already wataddeyo abantu already bamaze okulaba kati whether you put or you don't put tekigenda kukola mulamwa naye woba omanyi kigina kyekigenda oyamba abantu then proceed kasita nkitegedde ate ekyo kyenayagala okuva mu ntandikwa saba nze sikugaana naye kola ki saba nze kati era bwe wajja n'onsaba nendaba nga otandise okukola omulimu nga bw'olina ogukolamu you asked for my consent era nange nensanyuka ne ngamba kati atandise otegeera ekintu ekitegeeza okukola kyokusaba era ne issue ya leero Mr. Mdani nabadde na programu yaffe endala nnyo bwe ntula naye nambuuza nangamba ono muwala gwe watimba like poliisi mwabimaliriza mutya ne mugamba munange omuwala ABCD nenga naye kamukubireko nawe okole ki oyogere naye ye kwe kugamba bring I call her because nga alina obusungu bungi kwa yangamba tutosa muleka bo ne mugamba nedda by the way twabisolvinga ne naye kamukubire ndoza wanayogera naye one on one ajja tegeera this is totally not acceptable era ensonga ki akukubidde n'akumpa n'enjogera naawe yensonga lwaki ozze abadde aganye kamera naawe okirabye kubanga ebiseera bisinga ne ku poliisi abantu abo bagamba muno oba nnimba oba poliisi kiribu ekiti okitegeera believe me singa poliisi yali ekkiriza abantu okulaga ki kamera kyangwade kisoboka naye kati Mr. Mdani wamusabye n'omugamba nkole ntya nsobola oteekawo kamera zange nakkiriza n'agamba as long as mugenda kwogera ku topics ezigenda okuganulwa Uganda oba abantu then it is fine
ebyo kasista Igwani
mujebaleko nagambye before yenze Joanne mbeera wano nange mu UAE byonna mbiwuliriza wendi
omazewo bbanga ki
nze kati ndi mu myaka nga 3
Rebecca ono ebbanga lyomaze naye ye muntu ali atya
she's a calm person she's collected yeah but
but be honest nakusanga ntya like how did I how we met then
yes because first we met via work so we have not really had an opportunity to meet in a social setting very well but in that short time that I have met her in a social setting she's calm yes she's calm she's respectable respectful as well an industrious woman
that's who she is
yes.
Yeah, so Joanne, shortly, the first time I sent you a message, Sagala agenda into details, but there was a reason why I called you. Era noja, why I loved Joanne, when Amugamba whatever had happened, naja, because in my industry, nkole bintu bingi, of course, mwe mulimu visas, mwe mulimu recruitment, mwe mulimu zebayitanga bazita freelance, they say freelance. Basically, it's like an employment setup. Kati, that's how I got to know Joanne. Naye bantu bangi nnyo abali attached ku license naye nga sibamanyi. Naye nze okutegeera Joanne waliwo some lady of course eyamunkwasaganya ne wabaawo ko bye neebuuza ku Joanne then wenamala omwebuuzaako najja mu office ne tutuula ne twogera. Then I feel from that time till now, you found me sifunako buzibu. And that's why era namugambye munzo kuinvitinga n'omuntu ewaka ewange olina kubanga oli nga maze ku screeninga bulungi. So equally she's a very educated person. Muntu mulungi nnyo, she's a computer wizard, like amanyi IT. Ebikwatagane IT, ate muntu we waffe engulu katifa abengulu tu obitege.
Thank you very much for the beautiful introduction. So yes, that is how we met. So it's been more of a professional kind of interaction, though it was in a social setting, but not so many times, but I would love for it to continue. And I would love to get to know you too in that kind of setting. Yes. One thing about me, njogera nnyo Luzungu kubanga Oluganda we njogera lumenyeka. Yes. Yes. So I speak more of English, and yes, like she said, I'm in IT and also politics. Yes.
You're in politics?
Yes, I studied politics, international relations, yes, as a major, and I hope to join the political field, mashallah. Since I'm in a Muslim country, we usually say mashallah, and I really hope to get to know them both more, and I hope to get to interact with people more. Thank you very much for this lovely setup.
You're welcome, my dear. Thank you. No, we don't know. Maybe she would tell you next time. Kati kyensaba Volvate nsaba kino nkitabire ku kamera kuba kati kyendabye oyina connections kati wentagwe mba ngenda kuwanga to Volvate nsaba nfukamire nsaba kutandika kolako naawe bambi kuba kyendabye oyina connections oyina abantu ab'enjawulo nti olaba nkusabye Mr. Hamdan n'omukkiriza okujja mu kamera ntubako bye tumubuuza kyo kibadde kirungi nsaba okolako naawe muki mu bintu ebyenjawulo ti nembeera nga nyina ekintu kye neetaaga okumanyisa abantu kubanga oli updated oba oli well informed kati osobola okubeera omuntu omutuufu gwensobola okutuukirira nenkusaba kino tumanyeko kino nakiri nkusaba negonjebwa kisoboka sakoda mukolako nsasage ebyo nabitadde nabi kugamba kati naye kandabe wenakoma nga baga mumpiwa kuma wakola ki.
Okay, obutamala budde ekyokukola nange sitegedde kukola tutya naye kansubire ntegedde olinga agamba yagala kukola nange naye mu ngeri kolera Volvate kola nange mu sitegedde naye mu byonna me am open to as long as kiba kikwatagana na mulimu siina buzibu. Secondly, as long as kina professionalism njaganye ebintu ebiri professional. So enkolagana yaffe yonna enaaba wetuba tukiriziganyizza naye nga tugenda kitambulira mu standard etambulira ku mutindo gwenjagala, then it's okay. Then oyina okunyonya just oyagala tukole ki. So kyonna kyoyagala tukole abalabe baffe nabo basobola tubuulira whether we can work together or not. Kubanze nvaako as long as okola ekintu nga tekiraiminga ne bwongo bwange nze ndi short I'm a wireless person when something is not professional. Then nze nina ekintu I have something to protect. Nina legacy gye njagala protectinga, nina ebintu byange byempulira nga njagala mbikole nga bitambulira ku standard entuufu. So I'm okay okola nawe from henceforth putting the other side, though abalabi bayinza ogamba ate bano abantu ate ulira mbu bagenda kola bonna ate bino biki ukitegera balabika basetinga kino, because honestly omuntu asakikiriza mbu ono omukazi yajja n'antomera butomezi. It takes somebody just following na bigundi the videos and all that messages, comments, because I'm pretty sagala bad energy. Naye bwawulira nga us working together as long as kigenda kutambulira ku standard jetu ku mutindo gutukiridde. Rozet, you're most welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Give me hug like this.
Chirabe what?
Anyway, bwengamba kola fenna tikalenzo manyi byenkoleramu bye bino bye tuli mukola saawa zino byenkugamba ate n'ekirala era ne Volvate kyemanyi recruitment bana babakola ki ababira baagala njala kutambula njagala kola ki muntu kiguwesiga kubanga zibanga lyemaze wano mu US kuli ankoziro yonna oleka mpozi ng'omuntu ayagadde bwagazi kono nalinnya nze siwulyangako abantu babbye sente tubawulya eva ne babatimba ino yakoze kino yabbye sente yakoze kino naye gwe sikola ki so ku side eno eya media ne ku side eno eyaki ya recruitment. I want to be in between like this. I can come like this and then I go like this.
That's concluding n'ekyo. So ekyo eyogedde ku point ya tonda banko ku media nga bantimbye teri business talina challenges era sijja gamba ndi perfect bangi betukosezza unknowingly oba knowingly naye what we always do tugezaako nnyo kulaba nga tusolovinga ki ebizibu ebyo kati ekyokugamba mbuno tolabangako nga simanyi oba bano bamanja teri muntu atalina mabanja aye teri mugagga atalina bbanja sijja kugamba ndi mugagga naye that is the statement that is commonly said. So nina nanga abamanja era ba clients bange bonna abali pending nga bali eyo kyensobola obasuubiza nze tetuddukana ssente nga ba Volvate tetuliddukana ssente zammwe neweziba ddi newebadde tusolovinga ki issues ezo. So you coming in to work with me oba to work with us mu sectors ezo zonna nakugambye dda you're most welcome naye nina okusooka okwogera ne ttiimu yange naba welcoming officially kitegeeza wojjira anytime we can always feel free to do whatever you want oba twogere ku podcast oba as long as kiri n'omulamwa then nange I am free to give you more connections. Zenninako access. Sijagama nze nzirina ennyo, but whatever I have. By the way, eri topic obeda je tuli kwogerako, I think when you were speaking to Mr. Hamdan, obeda muyogerako ebya Sheikh.
Yes.
Nze personally nafuna omukisa ogutuukayo. Naye waliwo ebintu ebimu.
Interestingly, even me last week, you went there.
You met him?
Yes.
Yeah.
At Dubai Hills.
Yes. Eshaganeze nafuna that direct meeting but rakwe bintu ebimu togenda biteeka kuba biri so sensitive but omanya abantu bano tebagala nnyo bintu bya camera so that access is there n'ebirungi bye nafunayo nga ntuuseeyo nabyo nsobola sharinga mbu tutyanye ebintu ebimu naye bayamba wofunanga omukisa ogumitinga Maktoum ayambira ddala naddala bana balina issues mbuni na loan empitirivu nemereddwa nkoze ntyo kisolovinga asobola ogiwevinga off. Yes, no sigala ng'oli kuki. So ninako contacts ezimu ez'amaanyi sinze nzifuna naye gye nkolera I get access to this kind of things. So
that's why I want to be near you.
So when I get a Maktoum, we can make an appointment because with him you have to make an appointment through their office. Then it takes you bayinza okutwala almost like 30 to 60 working days okubanga you get that approval. Then Buomala, you have to dress up. So you either want to go to the palace, you can go to the palace, or get no meeting through the office. So that is very easy.
Wow, that is very easy to Volvate.
Yeah.
And myself, Kobino Byonna, I want to encourage a Ugandan out there. Yes, we all came here to improve ourselves. Please, I'm speaking slowly so that we understand and the sagala kola fine when I'm speaking Luganda and then you change the topic. So I'll speak in English, the language that I'm more well versed with. We came here to improve ourselves. If you see someone trying to learn something, trying to change something about themselves, encourage the person. Don't pull the person down. If you have any information that can help your fellow Ugandan, Nigeria, they support themselves. That is why most of the girls are running towards the Nigerians because they are trying to get that community. You get? They just need that community effect. You understand? No one came here with their family. So please, let's try to support one another. If you have any information that can help a brother, a sister, reconcile your differences wherever you are, where you are living, because you never know tomorrow. Okay? So let's build the Ugandan community to become stronger, and very soon we shall be the pride of all Africans, or the international community here. Already Ugandans, you're known for the best behaviors here in the UAE, and Ugandans, you're now rising to the occasion. You're getting jobs that other nationalities are now envying us, and they're saying comments like, oh, it's just because they're Ugandan, that's why they got the job. Oh, is it because Ugandans are calm, they can take all kinds of, forgive me for using these words, they can take shit from their bosses. It's not because we can take shit, it's because we are tolerant people. And please don't be over-tolerating. There are situations that call for it, but there are times when you have to be confident. Defend yourself in a respectful manner. You understand? We are here to help you. Anyone who reaches out to me and says, help me on this, if I have the capability, I do help. Even when it's a job, if it's a training, a simple training, we do it. You understand? For those who have encountered me know that, yes, I try to help when I can. If I don't have the time, I'll tell you I don't have the time, but possibly let's try to do it later. That is my contribution to the society. You understand? Contribution to the society doesn't only have to be financial. It can be through knowledge. And it's through knowledge that we make money. You understand? So in Uganda, and if you're out there, you've seen several bloggers, vloggers, or people who are silently making their money. It's through knowledge, okay? Thank you very much. I really hope we shall take this to another level and maybe have businesses together, because with me, my passion is also hair and makeup. Some of the evidence is over here. So yes, thank you, and thank you for your time.
Okay, my dear, we sign out. Thank you so much.